Did I commit a murder today? Yes, a murder against the piercing industry. Sorority girls, college kids, even school kids have done this with a safety pin. I am not giving you ideas. This kit was only £2.89 off of eBay. It's semi-professional looking. I'm not giving you any ideas whatsoever, okay? This is a did it myself. Not do it yourself, but did it myself. In the name of science and education, to see if we can be frugal. Now, something that I do feel very strongly about is once you have sterilised your equipment, I always empty out onto a paper towel to re-sterilise that. Okay, the earring didn't fall off. Are you watching this? I'm redoing it. People that were triggered last time that thought that I didn't re-sterilise in between cuts. Look at me now. It's in there. I don't know if you can see, but it's there. Needle shaped. We need that out the way. Okay, so problematic. The hairband on my wrist, I don't want to use that. Bobby pins! Okay, so I'll just bobby pin my hair up out of the way. Now, really, I would normally do it on this ear, which is kind of like my disaster ear, because it's where my split plug went and all those kinds of things, but I want to try and balance my ears out a little bit if I can. I know I'm looking into the viewfinder, I'm sorry. Okay, so while that's re-sterilising, because it wanted to be an idiot, I'm just going to sterilise my ear now. So I'm going to put that there, because that's for blood later. Oh! Blood warning. Okay, I'm going to give you a quick blood warning now, just while I'm cleaning my ear. There will be a lot of blood and abnormal. Oh, fuck. Oh, that was lucky. It all went on the floor. I'm having a good day. I don't know if I should be doing this. I've dropped everything. What's great about this is I've got a really torn up hand because I've got arm problems, like I said. And the white spirit feels great on my torn up hand, trust me. Like, on that and on all of that, yeah, that's feeling real nice, son. Okay, and I'm back, and I've got a needle. And I'm gonna, these needles, see, they get really stuck. Right, I'm not gonna use clamps because what's the point? I don't see the point. That could be wrong of me, I don't know. Also, here's another thing that you want to think about gloves. You see someone wearing gloves, right? They're then touching and moving your hair around whilst wearing those gloves. They're doing all other things whilst wearing those gloves. And yet, you moan at me for not having those gloves on. Think about that. Am I triggered about the big glove debate? Slightly. Right, so we're going to go there. Okay, it'll be fine. Needle. Before we start, I bleed a lot. So, just be ready for that. Okay, so we're going to go... Oh shit, I'm through already. I'm just having that problem I always have, which is like the threading just hurts so much. Ah, okay. Like, I got it through, but these needles must be made really weirdly because you get it through, you can see it on the other side, but it doesn't go all the way through for ages, and then like, you just hear it go... I don't know, maybe there was a sound there that you heard on the camera, but I fucking heard it, and it was creepy. Okay, so I'm undo my little horseshoe that's going to go in. Oh, and of course the ball fell off. The ball fell off. Okay, so I've got my horseshoe. That's 3 for 3 now, shit falling off on me. Right, so now I need to thread the thing somehow. Okay, so it should be threaded. Oh yeah. We're bleeding. Oh shit, we are bleeding. Are there veins in your ears? Fuck. Okay. I wasn't expecting that level of blood. I'm gonna be honest. And also, why didn't it... Oh yeah, because when you take something out, that's when you get the blood as well. And yeah, I just realised that. Like, it was drip. I'm so glad it did not go on my white chair. I'm now sat on my pusheen blanket as a safety measure. Okay, I'm gonna try and tighten this thing up. Oh god. Here we go with more blood. Look. think I've got a ball on. I think. Dun-dun! And I did it. Dude, did I just fuck my ear up? I think I fucked my ear up. I can't tell. Hang on. Okay, so obviously this didn't go to plan. There was a couple of hiccups on the way. I would say definitely the amount of blood. That was a unexpected surprise. I feel like my positioning's good. I'm going to show you guys in a second. I'm just getting all the blood off. Because you see, I stopped bleeding quite quickly. Oh shit, I did it completely differently to how I used to have it pissed, because I can just about make out the old hole. My bad. Can you see there, the old hole? Yeah, so I went in there and came out. Yeah, as you can see, that's where I came out, so. I know people that get that area done. Kind of. If you're for a friend of a friend of a friend, probably, but yeah. Okay, so what I think I need to do is maybe cut down on the medication. See, I don't know, because it's just a quick load of blood that I lose, and then it's like, in my head it was going to sit better. I 100% need a bigger hoop through this. I fucked up that. But my new piercing, what do you think? First impression is I picked the wrong hoop size. I agree. Placement, as you thought, not great, but still, it's a look. It's a strong look. I give myself a 2 out of 10 for placement. I feel like I could have done a much better job there. I'm gonna give myself 5 out of 10 for jewellery, because this does allow for swelling a bit. If it swells bigger than the jewellery, then I'll just take it out and we'll redo this. To be fair, I was going to do my nose as well today, but I don't think I'm going to do that now. No. Nope, not going to be doing that, because I think we're bleeding again. I feel like I'm bleeding, but I'm not. So that's the win. Okay, guys, and that is it for me piercing my ear cartilage. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you could subscribe, I will be your best friend, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.